As you can see, it is cold out today. There's some snow on the ground. There she is, right there. Let's go ahead and get in and fire this thing up. Let's put a little heat in the engine. You're sitting passenger seat right now, so a couple things we got to do first. It is a 3 on the tree, so shifter's up on here on the steering wheel, or on the steering column if some of you whippersnappers don't know what that's all about. So just go ahead and make sure that's in neutral. Give the clutch a couple pushes, make sure we're good there. And I give the gas just a slight press. Pull that choke, yep, manual choke. Pull that all the way out. Push it in a little bit. And then, before I even turn the ignition on, we gotta pump it about 10 times. Don't do this when you fuel injected, but these old carburetor babies, they need a little bit of a kickstart. So, yeah, sounds good. Go ahead, let that coil warm up for a second. So it's gas, key, and choke. 3 things to get this baby going. See what we do here. Almost. 1966, baby. We're 2019 right now. Original clutch. Original engine, slant 6. Okay, you guys ready to go? First gear, in and down. No power steering, no power brakes, no power windows, no radio, no power anything. But I love it. I take this over any other car right now. Let's go. No seatbelts either. (1966), the vehicles were not designed structurally to have seatbelts. 1968, they started making plugs in the chassis to accept the seatbelt because in 69 they made it mandatory. So check these wipers out. I love it. Just like a Tesla. I don't know what they're like. Alright. You gotta come to a complete stop when you put it in first. It doesn't have a synchro in first gear, so. Second is forward and all the way up. I shifted at about 1600 RPM. Third is all the way down. It's got a 410 in the back. I don't believe it's posi. Pop it into neutral. Make sure you come to a complete stop. First gear. Now we'll be able to get a little speed up. Once you get it running, it's good. We're almost in the 80 zone right now. Ready? Here we go. 80. Hands off the wheel. The road's got a little slight drop off to it, but there we go. Choke's all the way in now. We're good. is winter. I am driving it. Might as well take it and have a little bit of a bath. Get some of the salt off the truck. Let's go. Well, I just gave it a bath, and if you listen real close, you can actually hear the water dripping inside. Hey, what do you want for 1966 seals on this thing? So yeah, let's go ahead, fire it up, put a little heat in this engine, let's get out of here. Here we go. Well, thanks for sticking around watching that video. Hope we was able to share a little bit of what it's like to drive one of these things. It's not just get in, turn the key and go. It's got a little bit of work to it. But yeah, she's a 1966 Dodge D200 3/4 ton Fargo. It's a Sweptline edition. So it's all original except for the paint on the outside, but it will be going back to the original seafoam green color, or seafoam blue, however you call it. 40,000 on the odometer, original clutch, drum brakes all around. There's no power steering, no power brakes, no power windows, no power, nothing. There's nothing power. There's only 100 horse in this thing. There's not even any power in this, but yeah, we love it. If you guys have any comments or questions, or you want to share your links below to your project truck, and you want to share that out, we'll gladly check it out. There again, thank you very much. We appreciate it and hope to see you around.
Thanks for watching this video, and we hope that you will subscribe and make sure to click the bell for upcoming videos.
Feel free to head over to barndiy.com to see all of our products that we use in our new merch line.
Every sale helps us make better videos in the future.
We would love for you to be part of our Barn DIY family.